Alright, so in this part of the course, I just want to basically go over or just recap some of the stuff we've talked about. But the first thing I want to say is, why haven't I talked about promoting affiliate links on YouTube? So honestly, I don't think YouTube is going to help you at all for promoting affiliate links. And the only way to promote affiliate links on YouTube is to make those long 10, 20-minute videos. And that's like a whole nother business. And I don't recommend that for affiliate marketers. As an affiliate marketer, you want to find the easiest possible way to get traffic to your affiliate links. And that would be by using Pinterest, Instagram, and TikTok. Now, I will say that Pinterest definitely is my favorite platform for affiliate marketing, just because, it's very simple, right? You create like these photos to drive traffic to like a blog or like a direct affiliate link. So essentially, Pinterest is easier for most people, or it's just like a more, I guess, simple method to promoting affiliate links. But I still recommend you try all three platforms. Be posting consistently on all three, and eventually, maybe a few months from now, you can figure out, okay, where should I put most of my energy in? And if you feel like maybe that's Pinterest, then do that. But if you feel like it's, all three, then continue posting on all three. Another thing I want to recap is just make sure you're keeping up with trends. Make sure you're always looking at your competitors to see what they're posting so that you can also do something similar. This goes for all the platforms like Pinterest, Instagram, and TikTok. And always remember, your goal isn't to get a bunch of views, it's to get people to sign up to your affiliate links. So if you have 1 million views on an Instagram reel, but you're not able to get any way to drive people to the link in your bio or build a community, sure, 1 million views is nice and all, but you want to hope that those people who are looking at your videos are eventually going to end up signing up to your affiliate links or your newsletter. I always see people just focus on making like the most viral video, and it has no relation to their niche. So make sure you're creating content that can go viral but is also in your niche, so you can still make money from your affiliate links and get people to follow you, and hopefully you can somehow get them to engage with your content again. But at the end of the day, marketing is, I guess, trial and error type of thing. Like, you just need to be doing it. You have to be in the game. You have to be posting content consistently until you kind of see what works best for you. When I first started posting content on social media, I think the first 6 months were kind of like all over the place. But eventually, with time, I got a lot better. I was able to see what content does best with my audience, what doesn't do so well, and I was able to double down on what worked for me. So it's really just a game of doing. Like, you can't just really watch a bunch of tutorials. You really have to go out there and just try and see what works for you. Always remember that, with business, it takes time. You can't expect to make $1,000 your first week. Like, you really need to be consistent. And eventually, with time, if you're doing it right, the money will come. Now, that's all for this very brief marketing recap. I'll see you in the next part of the course.